feels about right. Welcome back, everyone, and thanks for joining in to the 1986 Trans Am revival. Today I take on a couple of small projects, finally get the AC delete in, as well as a slight upgrade to the steering wheel. We'll see how it goes. Let's dig in. Let's get this lined up. Straight as possible. Excellent. Pull this off. Off. Horn. All right, I'm going to pop that little clip off. These little, that helped. Pop them off. Oh, that came right off. Nice. All right, next step, just put in these two on the edges, on the sides. I'm going to put those into these ones here. Let's give it a shot. Got one in. Just kind of tighten them down. Finger tight these ones on the sides. Just get a few threads in. I don't think it'll take that much. Right, and then we're just going to hopefully just zap that one down and it pulls out. Is that how that works? Yep, it goes further. This goes down, it pushes back, and then it'll pull everything out. Good. Good. Tighten this down so it's close. Okay. I don't know why I'm nervous about this, but I am. Okay. It's all tight. Let's go slow. That pushing it? Oh, there it goes. I think I just got it. All right. So right now, look at the orientation. Everything's straight up and down. And it's out. Yeah. Ho, ho, ho. Let's pull these off. Yeah, that needs to be cleaned up. Painted. All right, let's hit it with a brush. I'm going to tape these off so I don't mess up this part. The leather is still in pretty good shape. And then we'll get all this paint off, get a little paint and primer on it. Let me clean up a little bit. It's a mess. Need a better working environment. Let's start with this, see how this works. Let's get more aggressive. What do I got here? Oh my God. Okay, trying to be careful not to dig into that. I'm going to put glasses on. I have heard of these things like firing off. Let's take a peek. I'm a little nervous with the tape job, to be completely honest. I have a feeling there's going to be some bare metal exposed. Just that side looks good. You can see there's a tiny bit of metal exposed, a little bit over here. I might, not bad though. Looks a lot better. I might just do a little touch-up paint with a little brush. That should be fine. Let's dab this up with a little anti-seize. Not much, just a little bit. Okay, there we go. That looks good. Push that in and reconnect horn and push. Battery is completely dead. Well, that looks significantly better. It's not perfect, but man, that looks way better. Way better. Looks good. Hardly even noticed the dash. Perfect. Does that fit in? Perfect. You see that? All right, let's trace it. Cut that out. Okay. Where's my resistor? Okay, so now we can slide this. Okay, so now we just got to be able to get this over the top. That ain't gonna fit, so we gotta make this bigger. I'm gonna start it like that. That's a little tight. Let's take that off. We don't want that one on there. And where I want this to be, they label it nice for you. We want that to be about, now our screws will fit in nice right there. Start off by drilling a hole, and then I'm gonna try to use a Dremel. It's gonna work? Nope. Not at all. Oh God. Back her up. Didn't like that. Don't like the way that sounded. Let's go smaller. A little bigger. Can I get the sander in there now? Almost. There we go. Oh, Jesus. Let's test. Will this fit in there? Nope. There she goes. All right. Love it. That should work perfect. You'll never even see it. All that nice hard work will be completely buried. So there is a lot of taking it in and out at this point just to try to make sure everything is lined up, especially all the holes. There's one hole that you can kind of expand a little bit to help get everything else lined up. I'll show you that one here. A little bit bigger. This hole, I'm gonna try to push it out a little bit to the right. And we just drilled it a little bigger. It should give it. Try to use those holes. Pretty good right there. It's in. A little scratched up over here. Don't like that. We'll have to use some paint or some sort eventually. All right, well, if you made it this far, please consider subscribing. There's a lot more to come, and I'm sure a lot more mess ups and everything else. But thanks again, everybody. We'll see you soon.